everyone, and welcome back to American Dream Mansions, where we take you inside the most beautiful and inspiring luxury homes. Today's tour is something truly special. This modern luxury mansion is designed to deliver elegance, comfort, and a powerful lifestyle experience, all wrapped in a bold black and beige color palette that feels timeless and refined from every angle. As the drone rises during the day, the exterior immediately commands attention. Clean architectural lines, expansive glass panels, and perfectly balanced tones of black and beige create a striking yet welcoming presence. The landscaping frames the home beautifully, offering privacy while enhancing the overall luxury feel. From above, this home looks more like a private resort than a residence. Approaching the entrance, the grand front door and double-height entry make a strong first impression. Natural daylight pours inside, highlighting premium materials and subtle textures that set the tone for the entire home. Everything here feels intentional, elegant, and thoughtfully designed. One of the most peaceful spaces in the house is the private prayer room. Designed with calm and simplicity, this area features soft lighting, minimalist decor, and a soothing atmosphere. It's a quiet retreat within the home, offering balance and reflection amid a modern luxury lifestyle. Moving forward, the main living area opens up into a spacious and inviting environment. Floor-to-ceiling windows blur the line between indoor and outdoor living, while carefully selected furniture and ambient lighting bring warmth and sophistication. The black and beige theme enhances the elegance without overpowering the space, making it perfect for both everyday relaxation and hosting guests. The kitchen seamlessly connects to the living area and stands as the heart of the home. Sleek cabinetry, a large marble island, and high-end built-in appliances combine style with function. This kitchen is designed for both performance and beauty, whether you're preparing family meals or entertaining at a higher level. Just beside it, the dining area offers a refined setting for shared moments. A statement dining table sits under designer lighting, creating a space that feels intimate yet open. The layout encourages connection while maintaining a sense of luxury and flow throughout the home. The TV lounge provides a more relaxed atmosphere. Comfortable seating, soft ambient lighting, and a modern media wall make it the ideal place for movie nights or casual evenings with family and friends. It's cozy, stylish, and perfectly balanced. As we move into the private areas, the bedroom feels like a personal retreat. Spacious and serene, it features premium finishes, soft lighting, and a hotel-inspired design that invites rest and relaxation. The color palette continues here, creating harmony and comfort. The bathroom elevates the experience even further. Marble surfaces, a freestanding bathtub, a glass-enclosed shower, and modern fixtures transform this space into a spa-like escape. It's designed to help you unwind and recharge in complete privacy. This home also includes a fully equipped private gym. With modern equipment, clean lines, and sleek lighting, it allows you to stay active without ever leaving the house. It's another example of how this home supports a complete luxury lifestyle. The garage is more than just functional. With space for multiple vehicles, polished floors, and modern lighting, it feels like an extension of the home's design rather than an afterthought. Stepping outside, the swimming pool area completes the experience. Surrounded by elegant architecture and lush landscaping, this space feels like a high-end resort. Whether it's a sunny afternoon or an evening gathering, the outdoor area is designed for relaxation, entertainment, and unforgettable moments. This mansion is a perfect representation of modern luxury living: bold design, thoughtful spaces, and a seamless blend of comfort and style. Homes like this are exactly why American Dream Mansions exists, to showcase what's possible when vision meets craftsmanship. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Tell us which part of the home stood out to you the most. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon with another incredible luxury home tour.